Namaste, I'm Anand. I'm from Cochin. After serving 20 years in the Indian Navy, right now I am working as electrotechnical officer on board liquefied petroleum gas carrier MT Sun Gas. Currently my ship is located at Bahama Islands. It's a favorite tourist hotspot destination. My field of passion is social empowerment. The complete heartiness coach is my designation, future designation, and I'm on a journey towards that. I am in front of you as part of the project Strength from me and my team for welcoming the year 2021. 2020, a favorite number among the cricket lovers. 2020 game gives us maximum entertainment within a short span of time. Maximum numbers scored, maximum wickets, minimum time, maximum entertainment. But what about year 2020? How was that? I don't have to say. A minute virus has wreaked havoc worldwide, took lakhs of lives, millions of rupees loss. By learning lessons from year 2020 with new strength, new lifestyle, we will welcome 2021 wholeheartedly with open arms. Forget the wounds given by life, but never forget their life lessons taught by them. If I say that, you may not consider, but what if a girl says so? What if a bold girl says so? What if a stronger nation's dream girl, wonder girl says so? Obviously it will be noticed. I am talking about basketball girl story. Basketball girl, the name came not by scoring in the basketball game, but by sitting inside in the game of life, scoring excellently and motivating lakhs of people. That's how that name came for her. Qian Hongan is that girl. She was born in a farmer family in Xuanshang province of China. When she was 4 years old, fate crushed her in the form of a car which came rushing while she was crossing the road to go home. For keeping her life, the only option was to cut both legs. When doctors told her this, the parents had to agree helplessly. 2 years she was bedridden without doing anything. On seeing 6-year-old granddaughter, her grandfather felt pity. He wanted to help her out, but the poor family couldn't afford artificial legs. He found a way to help her. He took a basketball, old basketball, cut it with mid, placed her inside that ball. She was able to place her hips inside that ball, and taking the support of her hands, she was able to move ahead like a frog. Sitting in that ball, she started going to school. Seeing that, the villagers started calling her basketball girl. By the year 10, she was able to move anywhere easily in that basketball. 7 years passed, fighting with fate. She made some decisions, hard decisions. She decided to win over the life which tried to crush her. She started searching for an area where she can win. In 2007, she had happened to see the national sports meet for the differently abled children. When heart when her heart said her this is her area, she immediately enrolled in a swimming academy and started training. Swimming is impossible without both legs. People tried to dishearten her, but she didn't listen. Before, initially, with much effort, much less distance she could move. But her enthusiasm and hard work had started showing results, stunning the people who tried to discourage her. Slowly, she started winning the games. As time moved ahead, she became a constant presence on the victory stand near the swimming pool of every national and international games. Soon, she became China's Wonder Girl. Her fans bought artificial limbs for her. In front of the media personnel who tried to interview her, she shared her secret. I don't have legs to run and participate and win on land. So I found out that it was in water that I can win. And I realized it was in water that can win. This was her success secret, which she revealed. She shared to the media people. Life is not formed by what happens with us, but how we react to it. But how we react to it. Chian's lesson teaches us this. Real success is not measured by what you have or what you gained, but how many lives you are inspiring, how many lives you are changing. That is what decides real success. So let's welcome 2021 with open heart, open arms, with new strength, new lifestyle, new style, new techniques, new empowerment. Good luck. God bless everyone.